Good afternoon on this hot, sticky, 84 degrees is the current temperature. Let's take a look at the weather real quick, and then we're going to get a quick update on our Riot blockchain. As yes, I unload another truck. 87 degrees at the airport in normal. And we got a 70 dew point, like I said, Florida atmosphere feel, 57% humidity. Barometer's rising, or the pressure's rising, very sticky and uncomfortable. Let's take a live look at the radar. Wow, they definitely updated this. This is a lot cooler. Let's take a look at the old radar. You can see the afternoon showers are starting to pop up surrounding the Blue More Normal area. Decatur, a couple just northwest of Champaign, and just southeast of Peoria, and just northwest of Normal. You can see they're starting to pop up. I expect this radar to become looking like that over here again, just like the last few days, but we got a couple more hours to destabilize this atmosphere and mix it up. Let's take a live look at our short position. And you remember yesterday we were like 4% down. Now we are even, and I bought more shares. You can see how I've been buying as the price went up. $28, $30, $30.50, $30.75, $31.69, $32.47, $32.01, $32.15, and then $31.47. So I built my position as the prices went up, and now I'm back to even as the blockchain price starts to go down. Bitcoin continues to fall. We're at key support and resistances, and all of these you can see we bounced off our last level of defense that is in the way between that and falling back down all the way down to like 34,000 really quick, but more likely all the way down to here at 33,221 with support. You can see Dogecoin's down 4% like we said. XRP's getting hammered like we thought. Litecoin's taking it on the chin like we've been anticipating. ZIL, after that hook-nosed Jewish bearish reversal pattern, is taking it on the chin and the balls. And DGB, XLM, Ethereum, all getting kicked in the nuts. Houses are being repossessed. My fucking house has been repossessed, Vincenzo, and you're over here shorting Riot blockchain, trying to make immense gains on my behalf. Are you a sadomasochist, Vincenzo? Now you're adding insult to injury. Not only has my house been burnt down Waco style, but you're now going to profit lavishly off of my downfall. I can't believe you, Vincenzo. Well, my good man, I told you to participate in the short with me and to get out of Dodge. But you, my good man, did not. And unfortunately, in an extreme scenario, you had your house burnt down by the FBI, Waco style. It's very tragic. But you can see yesterday, this is what we diagnosed out in the short term and what was going on in this rising wedge and why we think it's going to come way down, right? And it's now coming down. Like we drew this out this morning for you back here, and we said it could do this, and then it's coming down. Now you're getting supported on these moving averages, but if you dip under it, they're going to start acting as resistance, and there's not a lot of volume, even in this pump. And it's at any moment, any sign of distress, all these new buyers that bought in here are just swing trading, and they're going to liquidate really quick. And this is, yes, another bearish continuation pattern that has ended with a rising wedge. And this price is about to roll over on itself. You can see that. We're gonna map out this bearish continuation. A bear flag actually is what it's technically called. A fucking bear flag, Vincenzo. Come on. Look at that. You see the upper resistance, and then we're gonna clone this, and you can see the lower support. And it's forming almost like a flagpole. Why it's a bear flag? Because you got the pole and then the flag rising up, and it's going to come up to this overhead major resistance, and it's going to force it way down. And Vincenzo knows that, so Vincenzo has been building a short position as the price rises. He's not using options, so he won't get liquidated that way. He is not in leverage, so he can wait it out because there's only a small interest payment that you must pay to short the shares, but it's pennies a day. If I was using margin, it would be a lot higher. It's 8.5% per day. and then you can get liquidated. But Vincenzo's a little bit smarter than that, right? And the targeted move out of this breakdown, when we pull our perching tool out as our measuring tool, you go from the top of the pole to the base of the flag, and you bring it to the point of a breakout. Say it breaks out here, because it usually doesn't go to the end. Even if it breaks out there, you can see we're almost getting, that would almost bring us down to Vincenzo's target, way down there. See that? Remember we put that up earlier? This is our target. This is what Vincenzo's playing, and he's trying to play a potential 80% move, right? That'd be it'd be an insane gang, and we think it's about to break down because we are in a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern in Riot blockchain, and it's been a multi-year. You can see it started back in February, or it's been a multi-month. Left shoulder, huge elongated head, right? And then if we move over, this is just simply your right shoulder. Sam, I'll get back to you, a valued customer, Sam Henstead. I will get back to you in 1 second. You can see this is just simply the right shoulder forming, but it's using a rising wedge to form it, and that's all that you're doing. And then when you come down, you can see that beautifully makes the left shoulder, head, elongated head, right shoulder, come on, right shoulder. And then once you break out of this rise or bear flag, the targeted move out of the bear flag is almost all the way down to our target. Bam. And I will be selling as the price goes down. I will sell into the crash just like you sell into the pump if you're swing trading it, right? It's a lot easier for me when I want the price to go down to sell it as the price is going down than it is if the price was going up when I need the price to go down. So Vincenzo's looking solid on his play here. I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I play one on my own radio show. This is simply educational and entertainment only. I cannot recommend stocks, securities, commodities, or any of those other assets. This is simply my own personal opinion and education and entertainment and what I am doing. And in this case, yes, Vincenzo has joined the dark side and is shorting the stock. Riot blockchain. Peace and love. Peace and love. Peace and love.